Hello, I am back. I am Aris Gandhi and I am back with another behind the scenes. आज इस शूट में मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ रूही सिंह के साथ. मेरी अच्छी फ्रेंड भी है एंड मिस इंडिया भी रह चुकी है एंड शी इज़ वेरी गुड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा. तो आज यू विल गेट टू सी व्हाट द शूट वाज व्हेन आई वाज शूटिंग विद रूही. वी टुक अ लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स, फैशन फिल्म भी शूट की. बीच में मैं आपको दिखाता रहूँगा कैसे किया, क्या किया. सो हियर वी गो. It's a early Sunday morning and we plan to shoot some pictures and video and sorry to wake you up this early.
That's fine. Yes, and we're excited because it's going to be great.
Right now this is the DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm going to shoot all the behind the scenes footage with this little camera और काफ़ी compact सा है and I love this camera. इसको मैं usually अपने इस यहाँ पे इस ट्राईपॉड पे इस स्टैंड पे यहाँ पे कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ एंड आई मेक इट स्टैंड जहाँ पे इफ आई एम शूटिंग अ मॉडल उसके थोड़ा साइड में मेरे पीछे से सो दैट आई कैन कैप्चर एवरीथिंग दैट आई एम शूटिंग बिहाइंड द सीन्स. इट्स फन.
So for the first look, I wanted Ruhi to stand in between these two curtains and the outdoor light was coming through the window and that would be like a backlight on her hair, on her shoulders, on her body. And I was balancing it with this Godox LC500 LED light stick which I use all the time and light up her face from the inside of the room so that it kind of looks nice and balanced. And Ruhi was in her elements, dancing and in full groovy mood with nice music playing in the backdrop, so which always helps.
So right now we're going to use the window light as the backdrop which will be coming on Ruhi from the back, and from front my favorite LED, the LC500 LED stick. देखते रहो.
One thing you have to be a little careful about when lighting up a person from indoors and when you're also taking the outdoor light coming in, you have to kind of balance both the lights. The indoor light should not be too yellow or too warm in compared to the light coming from outside. So it will not look a little strange when you light it up. It will look a little balanced as if the light is just reflecting off a wall or a thermocol or some other kind of a surrounding surface. And this is the result of the look and the pose that Ruhi was giving. Very raw but still very sexy. We specially chose this kind of a muted color outfit, especially just a grey, brown, black, so that it doesn't really stand out. I wanted her to blend in with the environment, with the curtains, with the wallpaper and all. So no such colors that would really stand out. I wanted this kind of a monotonish look. After that, I put on this camera rig of mine with a nice top handle which was helping me make my video shots more smooth and it helped me angle the camera better. It just gives a more steady, more smoother kind of look when you are shooting videos with a camera rig in your hand, so that it gives a certain weight to the camera. So you can see some results of the final fashion film. Also, you can see the final fashion film in the link above and click on it and then you can see the final result of this shoot. The final fashion film which eventually came out and it was awesome. I'm sure you'll like it. Click on the link above.
So the first look is done.
Oh,
Oh.
I didn't know.
So pehla look is done and we took a video and some pictures and now look 2. So in between shots हैं, Ruhi is changing for the next look and generally अब मेरे पास थोड़ा सा टाइम है तो I just want to tell all the people who want to get into photography or photographers और जो basically जिनको गियर खरीदने का बड़ा शौक होता है, एक जो बहुत ऑब्वियस चीज़ है वो बहुत सारे फोटोग्राफर्स जो करते हैं टेंड टू, एटलीस्ट मेरी आदत जो है जो मैं सुधारना चाहता हूँ है कि ज़बरदस्ती यू वांट टू परचेज गियर और यू वांट टू परचेज लाइट, जबकि लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स यू डोंट नीड सो मच. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल लेट मी शो यू द लाइट्स दैट आई हैव. कुछ तो लाइट्स अभी ऑलरेडी सेटअप हैं, जैसे कि ये एक लाइट है मेरी प्रोटो लाइट नियो 2. ये है गोडॉक्स AD200. This is another Aperture MW light. This is an Aperture Amaran 5C. Then this is what I always use, the Godox LC500 light. I mean, honestly, you don't need so many lights and कलेक्ट करना मेरी आदत सी बन गई है, काफ़ी सारी लाइट्स लेता रहता हूँ मैं, बट नॉट ऑल आर ऑलवेज यूज सो मच. मतलब कुछ लाइट ज़्यादा यूज़ होती हैं, कुछ लाइट्स थोड़ी कम यूज़ होती हैं, बट आइडियली वन शुड ट्राई टू मेक यूज़ of the situation more, the place that you are shooting, be it natural light or be it available light, उसके अंदर अपना light add करो. आदत से मजबूर हूँ मैं. A lot of people tend to keep buying and even I tend to keep buying more and more gear and equipment, जबकि the main thing is you need to work on your talent. So keep practicing. That is more important.
Arees, what's up with the red light? With, are we bringing fantasies to life?
Yeah.
Serving.
We are bringing fantasies to life
Serving
according
looks
to
not tea tonight.
the schoolgirl look.
Don't say that. You're so wrong.
No schoolgirl,
Yeah.
no schoolgirl looks like this.
The girl who never went to school.
Yeah.
What's that song?
I think you should add some color to the lips.
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh wow. Wow.
So for this next look, I wanted to light up Ruhi with different kind of gel papers in different lights. So I've used like a red light, a blue light and a purple light to kind of give this very moody, high fashion feel to the whole pictures and videos. Of course, Ruhi was again in a very interesting kind of a look, and she was playing with the whole character of a kind of a schoolgirl, a little naughty, little crazy, dancing away with the music. And we got some great shots even in this look, as you can see, and the fashion video that I made. You can see some footage over here. The two ponytail look was really working with this whole look. These pictures are actually one of my favorite pictures of the whole shoot, because the way the light blended and it kind of gelled with the whole look was superb. This next look was very simple again. I didn't do any other lighting besides this one light over her head, slanted in like a 45-degree angle, this LED light, and the natural light coming from outdoors. And she was just looking beautiful sitting there, and we tried to use a little hair dryer, hair blower to blow the hair off her face, and the results were amazing. The whole lighting was just blending with the whole furniture behind, the whole look, the sofa, and this red top was really standing out. So I think, yeah, sometimes you don't need to do much. You just need to kind of observe the way the light is falling on your subject or your model, and well, it's superb. That is why my advice to all the photographers who are watching this is that don't try to light up for the sake of lighting up. Use the light available and just add one light at a time, and then see the results, and then see what you need and what you need to remove or what you need to add on. The next step was, of course, using again the camera with the top handle and shooting this fashion film. Again, moving the camera around her from different angles and kind of capturing her in the best way possible.
Okay, so for the next look, हम यहाँ पर एक कर रहे हैं इस corridor में. I'll show you this corridor. This corridor in Ruhi's house, and ये use कर रहे हैं मेरा वही LED light stick with like a diffuser on it, so that the light is not very harsh. Then I'm trying to use this another LED light with a blue filter on it, blue gel, and another LED light over here. One second.
The hair actually look nice.
And so that there's a blue tinge coming over here. Okay. So let's try this. Ruhi will be standing somewhere here, and we shall shoot.
So like I explained in this next look, I wanted the blue color to be the dominant color because the surrounding walls were whitish and her jacket was this really nice blue shiny jacket, and I just wanted her skin to pop out, the skin color to pop out, and everything around it to be like blue and white with the blue light coming from the side, and I think it really worked. Then we also used these shades that were looking really nice with this whole look, slightly giving it a bluish tinge under her eyes, like a very cool, badass kind of a look. And Ruhi was really slaying it, as you can see. Then we did some more bits for the video. And again, I'm giving the link of the fashion film down below. You can check out the final fashion film here and let me know in the comments how did you like the final film. If you want to know more about how I edited it or how I make other fashion films, please leave me a comment and I shall get back to you on that.
Hey, we wrapped up the shoot with
Yes.
Ruhi Singh.
Yes.
Ruhi Singh, what do you want to say?
Well, I had a great time and I have always loved Areez's work, and I think today we were sexy, we were playful, we did some hip hop and we did some looks that we've never done before, so I'm really excited about the results. I loved the makeup and I loved my look, and the most important thing is we had a good time, so yeah.
Yes, we did. We did have a
But
good
we
time.
always do, don't we?
Yes. And तो देखते रहिए हमारे vlogs and follow Ruhi on TikTok because she's the big star there.
Well, Ruhi Singh 12 with a double I. Follow Areez.
Yeah.
He's an aspiring star there.
Okay, keep watching, subscribe and take care. So that was my shoot with Ruhi. I hope you all enjoyed the whole experience. Behind the scenes जितना मैं record कर सकता था, capture कर सकता था, मैंने किया. काफ़ी आपको ज्ञान भी शायद दिया. अगर आपको ऐसी चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं तो please subscribe to my channel and you'll get to see many more such videos and insight into how I shoot these fashion films and these high-end photo shoots. Basic lights, nothing very fancy, but you will get to know the techniques of how I shoot my pictures and how I shoot my videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you liked it and keep watching. I'll see you soon.